Split a large pandas data frame. I have a large data frame with 423,244 lines. I want to split this into 4. I tried the following code which gave an error. Value error column array split does not result in an equal division. How to split this data frame into 4 groups?
Use np.array_split.
I wanted to do the same, and I had first problems with the split function, then problems with installing pandas 0.15.2, so I went back to my old version and wrote a little function that works very well. I hope this can help. Be aware that np.array_split_df3 splits the data frame into 3 sub-data frames, while the split_data frame function defined in @elixir's answer, when called as split_data frame df, chunk_size equals 3, splits the data frame every chunk_size rows. Example. With np.array_split, you get 3 sub-data frames. With split_data frame, you get 4 sub-data frames. Hope I'm right, and that this is useful.
I guess now we can use plain illic with range for this.
If you want to simulate, please consider subscribing.